President Trump says he would use military force, saying that the U.S. could carry out strikes if Iran attempts to rebuild its nuclear weapons program. Satellite images showed the state of key nuclear sites in Iran, which President Trump claimed were completely and fully obliterated by U.S. strikes back in June. But now President Trump says intelligence reports suggest suspected activity could be happening once again outside those sites. The topic is a major point of focus during his meeting with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. Israeli officials say Iran is rebuilding its supply of long-range missiles that could strike Israel. President Trump says if that's true, the consequences against Iran will be very powerful.
Now I hear that Iran is trying to build up again, and if they are, we're going to have to knock them down. We'll knock them down. We'll knock the hell out of them, but hopefully that's not happening.
Iran is already firing back ahead of Trump and Netanyahu's meeting. Iran's president said his country is in a full-scale war with the West. Reporting in Washington, I'm Amy Liu.